Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Peter Tutor. In the video, we'll be looking at series and sequences. So I'll just go direct to the main series and sequences. Now we know that a series is a number system whose next number is predicted either by addition, division, subtraction, or multiplication. For example, if I say 1, 3, 5, then I say what's the next number in the sequence? I'll know that the difference between 3 and 1 is actually 2. Even the difference between 5 and 3 is actually 2. So I know that to get the next number, I must add 2, which will give me 7. So that's what a sequence and a series is. Now in this case, we have the AP series, also the GP. Now the AP, it has got what we call the nth term, which is given by A plus A minus 1 times D, where A is the first term of the sequence, where N is the number of terms, where D is a common difference. Okay, then so it's given by Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. So this is the formula for the nth term. Let's say if we have, let's look at an example 1. We have a series, given the series 1, 3, 5, 7, then dash dash dash. Find the 10th term. How can you find the 10th term? First thing, you know that the formula which we are going to use, so let's say solution. The formula that we're going to use is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. N in this case is 10. Alright, that's the number of terms that we're looking for. Then A is the first term, which is 1. Then D is a common difference, which is the difference between the second term and the first term. So second term minus the first term, which is 3 minus 1, to give you 2. Now this should be the same answer when you get 5 and 3, when you also get 7 and 5. Now next is, we now go to the formula. So the 10th term is equal to A is 1 plus N is 10 minus 1, then D is 2, be 1 plus, that is 9 times 2 is 1 plus 2 times 9 times 2 is actually 18. So the number 10 term is actually 19. Let's look at another example. Example 2. Let's say you have the sequence 11, 12, 11, 14, 17. Say find the 20th term. How do you find the 20th term? You know that A is equal to 11 and N is equal to 20. Wow. The common difference is 14 minus 11, which will give you 3. So say T20 is equal to A, like this, which will A is 11, N is 20 minus 1, then D is 3. Would be 11 plus 19 times 3. So now I have to multiply 19 times 3. Now 9 times 3 is 27. Mean that 2. We have 57. So the 20th term we're going to get is 68. That's how you can find the nth term. Let's look at the last example that says, given that the 10th term of the AP is 12, find the first term if the common difference is 2. So you have a question here that says you need to find the value of A, given that D is equal to 2 and that the 10th term is equal to 12. Now we know that T10 is equal to A plus N minus 1 times D. Now they're saying the 10th term in this case is 12. So we're going to say 12. Remember, N in this case is equal to 10. A is what we are looking for. N is 10 minus 1 and D is 2. This is 12 is equal to A plus, this is minus 1. So this is 9 times 2. This 12 is equal to A plus 18. So discover that this is 12 minus 18, which is equal to A. So A is equal to negative 6. Apart from the AP, apart from the nth term, that you know, another thing that you need to know is the sum of AP terms. The sum of any terms is given by n over 2 to A plus n minus 1 times D, like that. Example, if I have a sequence of 1, 3, 5, 7, I say find the sum of the first 20 terms. So since I'm finding the sum of the first 20 terms, I'll say S20 is equal to N is 20 over 2 to A is 1 plus N is 20 minus 1. Then D is the difference between either between these, which is 2, or between these, or between these. So we are getting the same, which is 2. So 2. So 2 into 20, you get 10. Make sure you answer it the way I'm answering and the procedures. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 20 minus 1 is actually 19 times 2. This will give you 10. This is 2 plus 19 times 2 will get 36. This will give you not 36, sorry, that you get 38. So you get 38 here. So this will be 2 plus 38, which is 40. Therefore, the sum of the first 20 terms is equal to 10 times 40, which is 400. So that's how we can find the sum. Any question, anything? Let's look at another part. How can you find the mean, right, of an AP? So the mean of the AP, if you have got X, Y, and Z, the mean is found by this: y minus x, which is we know that when finding the common difference, which is just the same, we get z minus y. We know that what we find here is the same as what we're going to find here. Now we can collect the like terms by saying this is y, this y will come this side, become y, this is z, this will go the other side, it becomes x. So we have 2y, which is equal to z plus x. So by 2, by what? 2. So y is equal to z plus x over 2. So this is the mean. Now this same mean can be found by doing this, which is y is equal to z plus x plus 2. For example, if I say I have this, all right, and I say given that the mean All right, I say find what? Find the value of x. How do I find the value of x? I know that this will be this will be x minus 1, which is also should be the same as 5 minus what? X. So this I know that I'm going to have x, this will go the other side, come plus x, this will be 5, this one will go the other side, come positive 1. So be 2x is equal to what? 6 over 2 over 2. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 3. You can tell 1, 3, 5 that the common difference is 2. Even the common difference is 2. So that's how we can find the missing value of x or any, even if you've been given mini. All right, even if you've been given mini, there is no problem. So thank you so much for watching us in the next video. I'm Peter Tutor. Don't forget to subscribe.